What's going on YouTube? Crypto Chris back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys gems that I think could potentially 10x in 2021. I'm going to be giving you guys a list of 5 coins that I think have so much potential with low market caps and a lot of room to grow. So before this video starts, I want to let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get to the video. So the first token I am looking at is Tower token, rank 742 with a low market cap around 18 million. So the reason why I think this coin can grow so much is if you go to the Anamika brands, right, and you go to the coins that they already have, you would notice that they have sand, right? So let's just type in sand really quick so you guys can see. Sand, hold on really quick. Sandbox. You would then see the market cap. Look at the market cap that they have with this coin, right? It's sand. Then if you were to go to something like Lim, let's go to Lim. Look at the market cap. So as you can see with the coin Tower, underneath their brand, right, their market cap is nowhere near the other coins. So this coin has a lot of room to grow and it's trading at under 10 cents. So like I said, guys, I think this coin has a lot of room to grow. Now let's go to Ruby. Ruby is ranked 894 with a 10 million market cap. So once again, you look at what it does. Ruby is a blockchain based investment platform that allows users to invest from both traditional and crypto markets, right? The mission of Ruby is to give any person with any level of income an opportunity to invest starting from just $10. Ruby you can find on KuCoin, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, BurgerSwap, etc. KuCoin, that's why I personally would get Ruby. Then also another coin that I think has so much potential, guys, even though it's already a high market cap, as you can see right here, is Ikami. Ikami ranked 206 currently on CoinMarketCap. Has a lot of room to grow because from what I'm hearing, guys, and from what I'm seeing, is that they might or they do have a partnership with the NFL. And if that's the case, this coin will blow up, especially if you get in now and you wait till the NFL season starts and then they start blowing it up then. Look at NBA Top Shots and what it's done. The NFL, if they get into NFTs with Ikami, so much room to grow. So I'm gonna show you guys the growth rate of Ikami, and so once again, if you want to find out the growth rate with percentages, etc., and nice charts, I would go to coinstats.com. So 24 hours, it's up already 6%. 1 week, it's up 21%. 1 month, it's up 204%. And then you can already see with the 3-month chart, it's gone crazy. So another coin that I'm looking at with the low market cap is Veracity, VRA. Look how many people are watching it, guys. Ranked 490 or 459. This coin Veracity actually has a patent that's called the proof of view. So pretty much it blocks out fake views on their platform, right? So this is potentially huge because they're one of the only cryptos, or maybe the only crypto with a patent. I'm not too sure about that. Don't quote me. But the fact that they do have a patent to stop fake views is huge, guys. And trading around only what 1 penny, right? This has so much more room to grow with a low market cap. I think personally it's a good coin, and I'm heavily invested into VRA. Another coin that could potentially 10x is Morpheus Labs, MITX. If you look at the market cap, 47, right? 47 million. It has a lot of room to grow as well. So once again, guys, these are my top 5 picks. We got Tower, Ruby, Ikami, Veracity, Morpheus Labs. And if you guys aren't, make sure you guys go ahead and follow Crypto Chris on Twitter. I'm literally 1 follower away from 1,000 followers. So if you guys want to see my current holdings as well, I list them right here on my Twitter. So once again, guys, I appreciate all the support and all the support that you guys have been giving me for my videos. Make sure you guys hit that like, share this video, and hopefully in a couple months we come back to this video and everything's good. Like I said, none of this is guaranteed. They all might fail. All these coins might fail and none of them might grow in a couple months. Or they all might 10x, right? This is the game we play. I can't predict the future, but these are my picks as of right now. And I think that these could do really well in 2021. So like I said, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that sub, and show some support in the comment section. Hopefully this video helped you. These are my top 5 coins that I think could potentially 10x. Appreciate the love, and I'm out. Peace.